Let's run and go. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna go beekeeping with Blue. So Blue. Follow me.
Try to push me. You can chase people too.
So.
We need somebody to be the risk.
Oh wow, I haven't done good. I'm playing Gorilla Tag and Colorado. I'm on my summer break. So expect me to be uploading a lot more. 2 months, 2.5 months. A full summer break. I'm a beekeeper. Should have typed in the code right, hopefully. So I'm gonna wait here. Oh, you joined. Hey, what's up? We have to catch Doug the Bug. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm fertilizing her. Oh, let's go. First, we have to go change our names and stuff, so let's go. All cosmetics. Yeah, we have the timer. My flick tag? Holy. Let's join a code. Stay here. Stay here. Do not click nothing, okay? Just stay, okay? I'll see you in the code.
You gotta put that little paper bit in there. I need some more.
Cosmetics. Listen, this lobby. We are the beekeepers of Gorilla Tag. Do not get in our way. We are here to catch Doug the Bug. Because Doug the Bug's poisonous for some reason. I don't know. I'm just making up it. Oh, damn. Hey, we are the beekeepers of Gorilla Tag. Nice to meet you.
Yo, TTT Pig fan. Yo, what's good, TTT?
Alright, let's go, beekeeper. We have to go. We have to go catch that Doug the Bug.
Yo, guys. Yo, Blank.
Look in the tree stumps here. We could possibly be a foul mission here. Weird. Cannot see. Butterflies, yeah. Hey, have any of you guys seen Doug the Bug here? Have any of you guys seen Doug the Bug? We're looking for him, me and my beekeeper friend. I don't think nobody's listening to us. Where? Doug! Okay, grab your fertilizer. Start the timer. Fertilize him. Where did he go? Fertilizing. We got him. Calm him down. Make sure he's calm. We have him. Sure. We have caught Doug the Bug. If you could just hold on for him for a second, that'd be great.
Bro, do I have arms for you, bro?
Oh, I'm so sorry, man. I'm just gonna keep walking. Wait, where?
Everyone. Leave that sentence.
Let's go back to.
No, there's only a few. Hey, can you?
Yeah, bro. Sorry.
Hey, can you?
Yeah, I mean we're beekeepers. We're beekeepers. Just hold him still. No. Hold him still for a second. Do it. Let's go.
Oh, dude.
Thank you. We'll take Doug the Bug back. Sir. No, sir. Doug the Bug's poisonous. Sir.
Oh, really? I could try that?
Yeah, under the battery.
Stop that.
1 minute.
Oh, Oh, I could try that.
Where did he go? He's right there.
Got it.
Give it back, bro. Give dog back, bro. Bro, get him.
He's poisonous.
I can elevator climb too. He's on the run.
See.
Nope. Get back, Doug the Bug. Where did he go?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave
Give me
that
it.
thing.
Blowtorch him. You have 5 seconds to
You got
run.
it.
Get away.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Sure, that's never touching me if you even try. Try getting that on me.
I just want to
Yes.
Sure, wait. You're not even tagging me.
Bye-bye.
Fine, if you tag me, then I'll let you.
Monkey.
No, your friend who's actually tagged.
Walls are super duper easy, bro.
Oh, what the?
No ankles.
Mother trucker ate a piece of fucking cock.
Yeah, I just tagged you.
I'll tag your friend instantly.
Facts. We still have Doug the Bug. Let's see. I think we've done it to this lobby. I think Doug the Bug should be fertilized, not poisonous. Let's go for a different lobby right now. Let's go.
I think someone's following us.
You know what coach is on? The exact same code. Got that? See ya.
Got that.
Oh, frick.
Yo, guys.
I just left. So basically, this would be like the unpoisonous thing. So you're in the code. And doing it. Hey. So, that lobby went pretty.
Hey, wanna go to mines?
Before. There's nothing to.
Real quick,
No,
to
no,
clean
no.
it real quick.
No,
Clean
we're not
mines.
doing that. We're not
What's
doing that.
This?
Listen, right now, that lobby was pretty bad, but we got some reactions. Look, Dev. And it was really working out. So how about
Someone said to go pollinate Lucy because Lucy is poisonous.
we should do it with Matt the Bat next? But first, casual. I hate that infection thing. Put on casual. Alright, let's go. Yo, wait, join the exact same code, but on default, okay? Okay? So, change it to
Okay.
default, and then join the exact same code. So, is it on default? Alright. So,
Yeah, it's on
leave this
default.
code, and then join the exact same code, okay? Remember, MN23. See ya. Horse and the cave, and then here we are. Oh, that's fast. Hey. So listen, we're gonna jump the forest. We're going to one more forest lobby, and then we're going to go in caves. That just flip you up. And then after that, we could just play around. Guys, if you guys want to be in videos like this, join the Discord down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on all the videos.